Hello guys, welcome to Tech It's Simple. Today's tutorial is about how to log into Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank is an Indian private sector bank that offers banking and financial services for corporate and retail customers. If you have go to a bank account and you want internet banking from a device, so in this video we'll show you how to log into that account from your device. So first of all, open a web browser on your device, then tap on the search box at the top and enter Kotak Login. Then you will be shown on the screen the search results, so you can tap on the banking like code lang, and you need to tap on the Login Now button to move forward to the login process. Now you are here in the login page, so you need to enter your username or customer ID, and next you need net banking password. So first of all, enter your username, then you need to go to the next box and enter your net banking password. After you are done, you can tap on the Secure Login button to get logged into your account, and you will be successfully logged into your Kotak account online. Then you can start instant banking online from anywhere on your device. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials.